Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Alcatel One S. This Android smartphone is extremely cheap and that's why I bought it. I bought it actually as a dedicated drone phone just because it was so cheap, and it was actually, possible to buy a phone for this because it's so cheap. Okay, so what is the price? This one is 90 euros, which is, in my opinion, really cheap. It actually looks really well. I was really surprised by this. Got this cool blue look. It weighs almost nothing, and it is a bit, on the plasticky side, really lightweight. Well, that's not a really positive thing, but for this money it's really great. You got this fingerprint scanner on the back, which is actually pretty fast. And you got Android. And it's pretty snappy actually. It works pretty good. Got Android 9, and don't play games on it, but it's actually really fast for again such a cheap phone. Got an octa-core MediaTek processor. 32 gigs is this one. You also have a 64 gig version actually. Let's see, you got 3 gigs of RAM, which is not bad for a budget phone, and actually, especially when you compare it to the competition. And it also has Face Key, which allows you to, log in using your facial recognition software. And it's also dual SIM actually, another function, so you can use 2 SIM cards. Now, here is one of the bad things. It's actually still a micro USB port in 2019. Well, this is to 2020, but the phone is from 2019. But overall, the camera is actually pretty good. Also got this really hard pin code. The camera is actually pretty good. It's, I think, how you say it, it's a bit fake because it's 13 megapixels, but they say it's like extrapolated to become 16 megapixels. Easy. Yeah, very easy camera software. You got the flash, and you also get the front cam on it, but it's now automatically flashing like a madman because I'm filming and not really paying attention to the phone. Also got this front cam here, which is actually 5 megapixels, but it's interpolated to 8, whatever that means, and it has a LED flash. Overall, it's actually, it's a great phone for when you want to use Android and actually don't play games. And, for 90 euros, even though I might have broken it now, it's amazing. I'm really impressed. So, gonna rank this, let's say, because it is a bit plasticky, etc. So 4 out of 5 stars. But for this money, I don't think there's a better phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.